Is it just me or is it very, very hot today?
Hey, are you fasting, bro?
So what is up, fasting fam? It is Wednesday today. I'm in the office. Haven't recorded a scene here in a while because usually when I'm here, I'm usually like in a rush to finish my work. But I'm pretty chill today because I don't have training. I don't have GPP because I don't want to do it. What should I do for today's vlog? Haven't done fasting chef in a while, so tonight we're gonna do that. Because today is a chill day, I have not even edited yesterday's vlog, like at all. If yesterday's upload is late, I apologize, I guess. Anyone who's not into powerlifting, do you guys know what it means when I say CNS? CNS is Central Nervous System. Lol. Come on now. It's not like we don't pay, come on. That's the restaurant. Above it is my office. Yeah, I'm back in the office because who's texting me? I'm back at the office because I'm meeting up with Fasting Sis here. I need to get some documents from her to submit at the office, and I'm kind of hungry. Should I be having high tea? Do I have that kind of calories to waste on high fatty food? I don't know. Haven't eaten all day because I'm fasting, bro. Fasting Sis told me she's gonna be a while, so I'm just gonna chill here.
One eternity later.
I've been here a while. Where are you, Fasting Sis?
Eventually.
There's Fasting Sis. Oh my gosh, she's late. Okay guys, I'm now gonna submit the documents and we'll see what's the plan.
A few moments later.
Hey, so as promised guys, tonight we're gonna have a little fasting chef segment because I haven't had this in a while. So tonight we're gonna cook pandan chicken. This is a Thai cuisine, right? Yeah. Here is the recipe. 7 shallots, 7 garlic, 1 inch ginger, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 2 tablespoon oyster sauce, 2 tablespoon soy sauce, 3 tablespoon sweet soy sauce, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, 1 chicken cube, 1 tablespoon pandan essence, 1 teaspoon pepper, 3 tablespoon sugar, half teaspoon salt. Oh, it smells really good.
This has been marinating for 2 nights. I'm draining all the liquid so that it's not going to leak out of the parcel. You need to wrap the chicken with pandan leaves, otherwise it's not called pandan chicken. So you need to start with a pandan leaf that has been thoroughly washed, and then you fold it like this, cross it, so create a small pocket like that. Okay, then you're gonna take your chicken, your marinated chicken, and I'm gonna put it inside the pocket like that. Okay, you're gonna bring this one over here, slid it right there, it doesn't want to go in, and then it's gonna come out from this bottom here, put it down there. Okay, turn it over and put it through here. and pull it like that, and you have this.
And then later you're gonna have to cut.
Yeah, then you're gonna cut this one, and then you're gonna fry it. That's it.
So you're gonna deep fry it.
You can shallow fry it.
Yeah, shallow fry it because fasting bro is cutting. Okay guys, that dish is done. Hope you enjoyed the fasting chef segment for tonight. Make sure to give it a try. Give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't. That really help the channel. It smells really good. It smells really good. We're gonna eat now. Okay, we're gonna eat now. Fasting says, let's eat.
Seriously, you clicked on this video, so click the subscribe button now. I'll wait. I have all night. I'll wait. I have all night. You done it yet? Seriously, you done it yet?